Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you about the function of countif with s and count blank. The count blanks we are used to count blanks used to count the blank function, one of the statistical function to count the number of empty cells in a range of cells. Count blank ranks. The count blank function syntax has the following argument: rank require the rank from which you want to count the blank cell, and remark cells with formula that return empty text are also counted. Cells with zero value are not counted. So when you read this, you will know about the function of count blank. So I would like to start the count blanks. Count blanks. Yep. Yeah. Ranks. So we need to select ranks in the area that we want to select. Okay, so mean this show us the count blank have two, so are shown blanks. How about the count a? Count a is the function that used to count all the ranks or area that are not blank cells. So count a, we need to select rank value and we enter. Okay, in this row have 23 row, but there are 21 that is not blanks and 2 that blanks. So in this I would like to show you about the function count if with s. So count if with s is the functions that apply criteria to cell across multiple ranks and count the number of times all criteria are met. Syntax: count is criteria rank 1, criteria 1, criteria rank 2, criterion 2. The countif function syntax has the following arguments: criteria rank 1 require the first rank in which to evaluate the associated criteria. Criteria 1 require the criteria in the form of a number expression cells reference or text that define which cell will be counted. For example, criteria can be expressed as 32, bigger 32 before apply all 32. So this is the example. So you need to remark each rank's criteria is applied one cell at a time. If all of the first cell met their associated criteria, the count increased by 1. If all of the second cell meet their associated criteria, the count increased by 1 again, and so on until all the cells are evaluated. If the criteria argument is a reference to an empty cell, the countif function treats the empty cell as a zero value. You can use the wildcard characters, the question marks. Yep. So I would like to start the formula. Criteria rank 1. In this, I would like to count the quantity of items that are in the regions and with the quantity order bigger or equal 100 with cell amount start from 100,000 US. So the formula we shown like this. We start with the regions, criteria rank 1. So criteria rank 1, we would like to select the regions ranks, and then criteria 1. The criteria 1, we would like to select regions, and then criteria rank 2. The criteria rank 2, we would like to combine the quantity order that is bigger or equal 100. So we need to select orders. And then we need to select the criteria 2. The criteria 2 is the order amount that we would like to settle. So we select this. And then criteria rank 3. The criteria rank 3 mean we would like to settle the scope of sale amount that is bigger than 100,000. So we need to select criteria ranks with sales amount. And then criteria 3. The criteria 3 is the amount of sale that we would like to find. Okay, and then we enter. In this, we will show you about the quantity of items that order are meet the criteria that we require. So the total is 13. So the total of the item 21, but why here shown only 13? The 13 amount here is the quantity of items that are meet the criteria that we are finding. So if the amount that we would like to find is changed, for example, this amount is not counted because it's smaller than 100,000, or the amount that is lower than 100,000 are not counted. For example, I would like to change here to it will count it. I change this to bigger than 100,000, it will count it also. So this is the amount that meet the criteria, and the quantity order is the amount that is lower than 100, it will not count it. For example, even the amount is meet the requirements, but the quantity order is lower than requirements, so it will not count it. For example, this one also, EV only tens, it will not count it even the amount is meet the requirements. Thanks for watching this video. For any question, please comment. We will answer your question. Thank you.